How to select Netflix genre codes. So let's get started. Open your preferred web browser app on your device, then enter www.netflix.com/browse/genre/ into the address bar. After that, all you have to do is simply enter or type or paste the Netflix code you want to use after the address. It would look something like www.netflix.com/browse/genre/10118. Make sure there are no spaces between the address and the code. The Netflix code needs to be a part of the web address. Press enter to visit the website. You should now see a page on the Netflix website dedicated to an entire genre. By default, the Netflix core page will show a video preview of a featured film or series at the top and a variety of subgenres within the main genre below. Any films in the genres that you have in your Netflix list will be displayed at the top, while personalized recommendations will be shown along the bottom row. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.